Hello student, how are you? I am Roshan. Today I will teach you computer virus of class 8. So now let's see computer virus. What is the computer virus? A computer virus is the software program written in malicious script. Malicious means it is harmful script. It damages your software or computers. Okay, so how to spell computer virus in a computer? A computer virus is spread from one computer to another through a mail attachment, file download from internet and pen drive attachment. So now, how do you know I have got a virus in my computers? If your computer works slower, your computer does not open properly, your computer restart in every couple of minutes, you cannot reach disk and drive, and it is automatically shortcut create of file. It means you have got a virus in your computer. Okay, so now we will see about now how to protect your computer against virus. First, turn on the firewall. What is the firewall? A firewall is a software. It prevents unauthorized file into computers. Okay. Next point is the keep the operating system up to date. You can keep operating system up to date. Next, use the up to date antivirus software. Okay, so now we will see type of virus. There are different type of virus. First is macrovirus. What is the macrovirus? A macrovirus is a type of malware that target those files that create using programs such as Microsoft Word, MS PowerPoint, Excel, MS Access, etc. A macrovirus hides in the document which are easily transferable through an email or network connection. So example of macrovirus is Relax, malicious. Okay. Now second virus is the memory resident virus. Second is the memory resident virus. These virus install itself as a part of the operating system. They only act when the operating system starts running, after which any open file could get infected. So they are normally found adding the random access memory. Memory resident virus were found in RAM. Okay. So example of memory resident virus is Randex and CMJ. Okay. Third one is the file infector virus. A file infector virus attack a file and delete the information they may contain. These viruses simply replace the content present in the infected file with junk content. The example of file infector virus is the trj.reboot, reverse.88.d. And fourth one is the directory virus. A directory virus is usually located in the hard disk. Where found this type of virus? In hard disk. Okay. A directory virus is usually located in the hard disk and it attacks the entire program of hard disk. This type of virus generally infect a file with the extension .exe and .com. Now, next virus is the direct action virus. Direct action virus. A direct action virus could be found in the root directory. Where found it is the root directory of the hard disk. However, it is known as the change its location frequently, which when activated, a direct action virus replicate itself. So example of direct action virus is the Venia virus. Okay. Now sixth one is the boot infector virus. This virus often attack the master boot record of hard disk. These virus infect the hard disk or any type of bootable media like CD-ROM and USB flash drive. So example of good infector virus is the brain virus. Now 7th is the multiplicative virus. So what is the multiplicative virus? A multiplicative virus is a computer virus that infect and spread in multiple way. It is spread multiple way. Each infection by the multiplicative virus differentiate any of the previous attacks. Okay. Next is antivirus. What is the antivirus? A antivirus software is the security program that can protect your computer against virus. So there are different type of antivirus in market. First is ABC antivirus, second Norton antivirus, and third one is the Kaspersky antivirus, and fourth is the McAfee antivirus. Okay, student. Today we will learn about virus and antivirus. Okay. So now today is enough. Thank you.